Welcome to the Global Affairs. Let's review the top story of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarked on a historic five-nation visit scheduled from July 2 to 9 with visits to Ghana, Trinidad, Argentina, Brazil and Namibia. His stop in Ghana marks the historic moment as he became the first ever Indian Prime Minister to visit Ghana in over 30 years. He was warmly welcomed by the President John Mahama with the Guard of Honor and 21 gun salute. The children in traditional Indian attire greeted him with Sanskrit slokas, excited by his arrival. During the tour, Modi will address the parliaments of Ghana, Trinidad and Namibia, highlighting India's shared democratic values. His visit aims to boost cooperation in trade, energy, technology, development and defense, while reaffirming India's commitment to the global south and multilateral platforms like BRICS and African Union CARICOM. The tour also includes bilateral meetings, cultural engagement and outreach to overseas Indian communities, further strengthening people-to-people connections and promoting India's vision through diplomatic dialogue, shared heritage and strategic collaboration. India and Ghana have upgraded their relationship to comprehensive partnership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi described India as a co-traveler in Ghana's development efforts following the discussion with the President John Mahama. Members of Indian diaspora in Ghana were enthusiastically awaiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival. Hours before his scheduled arrival, crowds gathered, waving Indian flags and holding signs reflecting their excitement and pride. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the highest honor of the state of Ghana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the highest honor of the state and said, "This award is a matter of great pride and honor for him, and he dedicated it to the aspirations and bright future of the youth of the two countries."